Hi, I'm Lorin with Cole Chevrolet here in Bluefield, West Virginia with your tip of the day. So have you ever wondered what's going to happen when your bumper-to-bumper warranty goes out on your new vehicle? What takes place after that? So for your tip of the day, buy an extended service contract, protect yourself and your vehicle. So what is an extended service contract? It's kind of like a health insurance policy on your vehicle. So don't become burdened with the high cost of vehicle repairs. Always think about having an extended service contract in case your vehicle breaks down. Did you know that you could spend $4,000 or $5,000 on a transmission, and if you have an extended service contract, you might pay a $100 deductible and the rest is covered by the extended service contract that you may have? So when is a good time to buy an extended service contract? Well, let's think about your bumper-to-bumper warranty. It runs out 3-year, 36,000 miles on most GM models. So when your bumper-to-bumper is getting ready to run out, think about buying that extended service contract to protect your interest from the high cost of maintenance fees. Come to Cole Chevrolet and talk to us about it, and let us hook you up with a plan that will suit your needs for your vehicle. Thanks for watching our tip of the day. Stay tuned next week as we have more tips for you. Don't forget to schedule your next service appointment here at Cole Chevrolet, and don't forget to come by and see us about your extended service contract.